Wolf Wall Y Book 2, Sails Against. Calvin the Wolf Sailor was taking a shower. "Let's see," he said. Kevin the Chipmunk went in the bathroom, where Calvin was taking a shower. "Hey Calvin, someone's here," he said. But Calvin was too busy taking a shower. Then, Kevin was about to fall. "Whoa," he said. His feet sprang up to the air. "Whoa," Kevin cried. He hit his elbow with the toilet lever. Calvin heard the toilet flush and got his head out of the curtains. "Hot, hot," he said. He looked at Kevin, who got up. "Kevin, you know better than that," he said. He got his head back in. "It was someone who came to this lighthouse," said Calvin. "Tell him or her that I'm taking a shower," said Calvin. "Okay," said Calvin. He got out of the bathroom and came to Wally and Alice. Standing beside them was a man. "He's taking a shower," said Calvin. "Okay," said the man. "I'll wait for Calvin." As he went to the couch, Kevin came across Wally and Alice. "Wally and Alice, your father always gets visitors every time," he said. "Of course, Kevin," said Wally. Kevin grabbed him in the shoulders. "You're my best friend, Wally," he said.